Welcome to Totally RV. I'm Ken.
I'm Sue, and this is the gang.
Join us on our RVing adventures.
The good, the bad, and yes, the ugly.
Let's go.
Welcome back to Totally RVing. Today's project, we're starting a pretty major overhaul here. We're going to take all the carpeting out, and we got vinyl flooring that'll match this sort of, the same colors and that. But we had this this vinyl we bought to put down over the carpet, try to protect the carpet, and it worked pretty good for a few years. I mean, the carpet still looks in good shape, but we just want to do this because that always slid around and it was hard to take care of.
And we don't like carpeting.
No, we don't like the carpeting. We don't have any in our house, and this is our home away from home. So, okay, I started this morning while Sue was working and loosened the chairs. The chairs pretty much just slide forward. I disconnected the center thing. The chairs just slipped down over that, and then I've got wiring back here and for the chairs, and I'm gonna take a picture of it before I disconnect it so I know how to put it back together, and then we'll take that apart. And
good idea.
Yep.
I hope this is a simple job.
Yeah. Loosened these already while Sue was at work this morning. The outer chairs just set down over this with clips, and then this just lifts out. Very easy. Okay.
Yeah, you can hand that to me.
All right.
This one's next.
Yep. All right, you have more faith than I do. All right.
Now I'm grunting.
Now you got to turn it up.
Okay, now I'm gonna grunt. Oh, I see a dime. Woohoo!
It's on your side too. That must be yours.
That's right.
I'll keep it though. One up. I guess
Yeah.
the same way.
Yeah,
All right.
you pick up that end.
No, I'm still doing this.
Yeah.
Oh.
I told you. Oh,
Oh,
I
that
found another dime.
Okay, that comes. Set that
I
down.
told you that I thought these
Oh.
came in parts.
Oh.
Oh, I'm up to 20 cents. Woohoo! All right.
Okay, pull. I guess that.
It's Velcro.
There it is.
Makes it easier.
Oh yeah.
We get to be pros the more we do this.
Stop it.
Ready?
Table out. All right. You got it?
Yep.
I'll get these two really light bowls.
Oh, yeah. At the table. Story of my life. Okay. Now you get to figure out how the benches come out.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, 2, 4 into the wall and
One each side out front.
front and back. Yeah.
And that's it.
Most important thing is when you're doing a project like this is to be respectful to your helper. If you get loud and obnoxious with her, she's going to walk out and you're going to be stuck. Okay, and then the 4 against the wall.
Makes me a little bit nervous trying to get the holes lined up when we put things back.
Yeah. We'll just make new ones.
Yeah, that's happening.
You'd rather not, huh?
Right. And that's it?
That's it.
Ready to come out?
Oh wait,
Oh,
one there.
There's one back there.
There's one in the wall back
One
here.
didn't have that there.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, you got 6 screws in that, and they only had 6 holding the benches in. Oh, these are just dinky things. That's all the bigger.
Oh my. That's why.
I'm thinking they have to be short because if they were too long, they'd scratch when you put the slide in.
That's true. The other ones are so long, I feel like they're going to go outside.
Yeah. Well, no, they were in the floor here too, so they.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Go ahead and talk.
Okay. I got it started here with my.
You got your
Cool.
gloves. That's a good thing.
Yeah, this would rip your hands up at a time.
Oh, it's coming off pretty good.
Oh yeah, once you get a hold of it. But look at all these staples.
Oh,
There's millions of
those
them.
all have to come out.
Yep.
Ooh.
Okay.
All right, muscle man. Let's see you go. There you go. All right. Coming out.
Tonight when I'm at work, you can sit out here on the floor and pull staples out.
I got work to do. I got some work to do.
I had to get that from the outside in because it was underneath this trim, and if I just pulled it
okay.
up, I'd pull the trim right off.
Okay, good to know.
At least that's my guess. Look at this.
It is done.
Almost. One more good yank.
Give it all you got.
Yeah, there must be a million staples. I think I've taken 6 out of this little corner right here.
You know?
Oh, okay.
Looks, it's all ready to go for the next step. And the next step will be taking the carpeting out underneath this white plastic piece and getting all the staples out of the floor there too. But we're going to call it a day because Ken has to work tonight and get him some sleep before he goes to work. So tomorrow's another day.
Okay, I got started and got these screws out of this white strip. I'm ready to pick it up. And then we've got to, I missed one. We've got to take the carpet up. And guess what? I bet there's a bunch of them staples.
Oh boy, more fun.
I have no idea how this is down. Yeah, just stapled.
Staple.
Yep. All you gotta do is look under the carpet to see it's a dirt trap.
A dirt trap.
Yeah, that's why the vinyl will be so much nicer.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready to
Ow!
lift?
Put
Ready to
those
lift?
on.
Now you can grunt.
I did. I just was running quietly to myself.
There you go.
Okay, all I gotta do is pull this whole way along, and then you can get busy taking staples out.
Me.
Well, I know how much you love it.
Now you know how good I do it.
Oh, okay.
I'm
That's
fast.
it. That's it. I don't care what adjectives you want, just so you do it.
Yeah. Well, actually, there doesn't look like there's much difference of the vinyl. It stayed pretty clean underneath there.
Yeah.
I mean, the floor is dusty right now, dirty, but
Yeah.
you can't see like a edging on it.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, we're going to cut a piece the right width, and then we'll trim it to make it fit. So this is...
It's kind of nice. It has it looks like planks,
Yeah.
and you can follow the
Follow the
a line, which is just about perfect.
Did you say I'm just about perfect?
Yeah, just about. Just about. Not quite.
You couldn't handle it.
You know you're getting bald on top.
I'm very bald on top.
And I really like the looks of this sheet vinyl, even though it's going to be straight planks rather than those zigzagged or whatever. What do they call them? Herringbone.
Herringbone, yeah.
Herringbone.
Pattern, yeah.
The pattern, yeah. It's so close in color, I think it's going to look really nice for slide outs to be just a little contrast different. I think it's going to look good.
Yeah.
And we don't have the weight of the luxury vinyl planks, which you know I love because that's all through our house. We were concerned a little bit about the weight. Okay, we're just finishing up this project, getting things in, and it's looking pretty good. Then we got to get all those loungers back in, and we'll have one section done.
The biggest section.
The biggest section, the one we learned on.
Oh, we didn't learn anything.
And yes, there was ugly. We just kind of deleted that out, I hate to tell you.
Well, you deleted my jokes out. That was the best part.
That was the ugly. Looking good. You even mitered that? You mitered that?
See that?
Nice.
Almost like I knew what I was doing, huh?
Almost.
Okay, I gotta get some butt in here to get pressure on it.
Nice.
Okay. And
Sun's coming in there. Finally some sun today. Nice little trim under the table. And the trims will be done.
did you say I'm looking trim?
Yeah, you're looking real trim. In your dreams.
Okay. I took pictures of the wires I disconnected from the chairs for the lights and that on the chairs, so I took pictures of them on my phone so I get them back the right way. Worst part is it's a humid day and my glasses keep fogging up. Okay.
All right. Do it your best. Another fine project with Totally RVing.
Oh, was I sleeping?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. It works.
So we got our linoleum floor in instead of using the heavy plank vinyl.
Yeah. That's the way it's supposed to work.
Is that the way it's supposed to work?
Yep.
Okay.
The weight of the vinyl kind of makes it fall off, and it's a finished edge. As long as we don't scuff it up too much walking on it, and the dogs don't find it start chewing on it,
Yeah.
I think we'll be okay.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
we just left the edge raw, cut linoleum. But if anybody has any good ideas on what we could use to finish it, the ending of it, comment to us. We'd appreciate it. If you can see here, we have a little flap here.
Flaps over, yeah.
It's glued like up to, you know, like right in
Yeah.
through here. And this is just loose. And, but we like what we did, and hopefully it holds off at the end.
Let's get a yeah,
Looks good.
total view.
Yeah.
There
Hey,
we go.
if you like what we're doing, make sure you subscribe and like. We have 2 more sections to do. They're not going to come for a while because we want to get started camping.
We're pooped. I'm pooped.
Yeah. So anyhow, so here it is. But I love the color.
Yeah.
It's a different pattern, but it's really close to the coloring. And, you know, I think it matches a lot better than some of the other things they use out there. So we're happy for now. And let's just hope it doesn't, the edge doesn't get messed up. But all right, it's a go.